Hello, this is Regimer, and I'm going to show you a story about Rafi the kind giraffe. See, Rafi the kind giraffe. Now, I'm going to open it in chapter 1. I'm going to read it for everyone, or for you. Rafi was a good-natured giraffe. Since he was young, his mother had told him not to eat forbidden leaves. But Rafi was no ordinary giraffe. He loves to eat grass when he should only be eating leaves instead. He was always teased by Giro, the bully of young giraffes. "You belong to a family of goats, right?" he teased. Rafi hates trouble. He doesn't mind being teased by Giro. "Do you want to fight?" challenged Giro. Rafi once drank water from the stream. Look what I will do to Rafi," Giro boasted to his friends. Giro suddenly kicked Rafi and lost his balance and fell into the water. Giro's friends laughed hard at Rafi. Rafi caught colds after sunburning in the water. He also broke a leg. "I slipped in the water," he told his mother, a white laugh. Giro got mad because Rafi isn't reacting to his antics. He thought of a way to pick up a fight with a kind giraffe. Giro didn't notice that he was eating forbidden leaves. He felt a strong pain in his stomach. Giro felt dizzy. He knew nobody was going to help him because only Rafi was around. Giro might be right because Rafi ran away as soon as he saw what happened to bad-mannered giraffe. He ran fast as he could. Contrary to what Giro thought, Rafi ran quickly to get some help. "Hurry up! Something bad might happen to Giro." Giro escaped certainly death. "You should thank Rafi that you're still alive because of him," Giro's father said. Giro couldn't look straight at Rafi. Despite all of the bad things he has done, Rafi was still kind to him. "I hope you could forgive me," Giro said. "Of course, all giraffes belong to one family. We should love one another," said Rafi. The usually bad-natured Giro has changed his way, thanks to the kindness that was shown to him by Rafi the kind giraffe. The end. So, I'm now finished by telling you the story, so you can replay me by reading this. Okay? So, bye-bye!